All right, guys, Rough Country giveaway update. We sold over 600 shirts, so we got about 400 left to sell. We just placed another order for a batch of them. So get over to the site at customoffsets.com/RC to buy a shirt, enter a chance to win one of 2 lift kits being given away. First prize, $1,500 lift kit and $1,000 credit. Second place gets $1,500 lift kit. March 12th is going to be Rough Country Week. And at the end of this, we're going to be making a contribution to the Catch a Lift Foundation, which is, I forget what it is.
Rehabilitation.
Well, I don't need to explain it again. At the end of this, we're going to be making a contribution to the Catch a Lift Foundation. So get over to our website, buy a shirt, possibly win a lift kit. That's it. Is that good? Did I miss anything? No, I don't think so. Send it. Yeah, we done? Or what do you want me to say?
This stuff.
Is my mic on? Yep. We sold 600 shirts. Order more. Ends March 12th.
Rough Country Week.
Catch a Lift Foundation. CustomOffsets.com/RC.